Whew. This only can mean one thing. We're back, baby. We got the video motor fit on today in Ecuador. This is day one of paddling. Should be pretty litty.
I had an AK-47 with 100 rounds. Red carpet on my trackie and Air Max. They want a boy with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil from my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get man bum right in front of a crowd. That's GBP. The price go up if it's USD. Better watch your words, I get you next by the shit you tweet. I told lil' bro if it's personal, he better jump out and do it on feet. We got something in common with scuba divers, working the guys in deep. That's GBP. The price go up if it's USD. Better watch your words, I get you next by the shit you tweet. I told lil' bro if it's personal, he better jump out and do it on feet. We got something in common with scuba divers, working the guys in deep. That's GBP. UK with I had an AK gang outside with a samurai sword. Night tech fleece with an Air Force One. My ski mask gone but we don't snowboard. Go on a glide, leave your phone at home. What's wrong with these guys, they go and record. Sold a stroke, we was broke as hell. Well, until we broke the law. If you want a UK with I had an AK-47 with 100 rounds. Red carpet on my trackie and Air Max. They want a boy with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil from my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get my bum right in front of a crowd. That's GBP. The price go up if it's USD. Better watch your words, I get you next by the shit you tweet. I told lil' bro if it's personal, he better jump out and do it on feet. We got something in common with scuba divers, working the guys in deep. Latex gloves, I'm on the drill, watch 'em fall, Jack and Jill. Up on the hop, 7 to nil, MLB, I'm in the field. Two things that you'll never see is me run from my up or a bitch in my wheel. Got that ones and I'm with them still.
Okay, the stout of the day. Brought to you by Caleb Grady, Heidi Walsh, Mitchell Lamb.
UK with I had an AK-47 with 100 rounds. Red carpet on my trackie and Air Max. They want a boy with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil from my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get man bum.
Hopefully, I fare better. Although they fare pretty good, so hopefully I fare the same.
If you want a UK with I had an AK-47 with 100 rounds. Red carpet on my trackie and Air Max. They want a boy with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil from my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get my bum right in front of a crowd. That's GBP. The price go up if it's USD. Better watch your words, I get you next by the shit you